Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is November 14th. Coming up to the middle of the month, we did have beans yesterday kind of leading the way down a little bit lower. And January beans took out the trend line, took out the 38% retracement, as well as the 100-day moving average. So, pretty negative move on beans, but beans overnight up a little bit. Can we get back above some of these areas that we need to be in order to hold these trends and to make this, well, maybe look a little bit better? Because right now, the charts certainly look weak. But for beans, we are coming up to a seasonal time frame where usually, and as more research has put out, that you buy beans on the 15th of November, you sell them at the end of the year. And this has worked for the last 15 years that we've seen some sort of a bounce between the middle of November and toward the end, all the way through to the end of the year. So we'll see if that does persist again. But the trend right now, and you look at what happened yesterday, trend line has been broke for beans. If we can't generate some friendlier news to really get us above that, maybe we can see a little downturn here, maybe in the short term. But we'll see. Some of the outside markets today, the dollar is down sharply this morning. We've got the stock market down right now, giving back some of these gains that we've seen here as of recent. But the grains, all eyes here from that report last week, are going to be on how do we wrap up harvest. We know for corn it's going to be slow trying to get that last bit of corn out. Beans, pretty well done as far as what the market will be concerned with. So the shift will be to South America's weather at this point. How do they look? And will we get this El Nino effect here? And what's that going to do for them? So as we try to wrap up harvest, a lot of focus will be back on weather, but expect to see some choppy markets. And we'll see what happens from that place or from here forward. So some of these outside markets really not paying any influence into the grains. We know there's larger stocks. And the December report, typically not a report where it holds much clout at all. So looking forward, the next major report will be that January report, and that will be probably a game changer. The only thing I can tell you on that report is that we will see a lot of volatility once these numbers are released, and we've seen that over the past several years, probably going to see it again. So we'll see livestock today, cattle, expect to see some choppy trade. Where is cash cattle going to finish out this week? We'll see box beef, though, a little bit lower overnight, so that may give us a little bit of a start here, a little lower, especially with the stock market down the way that it is here this morning. But give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll chat again with you tomorrow. Take care.